So hey everybody, how's it going? It's good to see you. Welcome to speaknsee channel. Thanks for coming by. Like and subscribe. If this information is valuable to you, give me a thumbs up. And here's what I'm going to go over today. I'm going over a few questions that I had regarding the PPP loans that people were getting. That now you're all wondering, hey, what's happening with my PPP forgiveness? Why can't I get forgiveness right now? It's probably because you haven't gotten a number, a lender number, application number, which you will need in order to file for a forgiveness form. You can see the forms out there. People are showing everyone how, here, this is how you fill it out, this is how you fill it out. But the truth is you cannot fill it out yet. That's still in Congress right now, is how they're going to go out resolving the issue, why the idle advance line is there. The reason we're waiting right now to file for forgiveness is because the lenders are mad that they put the idle grant advance as in the forgiveness application. The lenders weren't thinking that. The lenders were saying, hey, it's all supposed to be forgiven. Now the people who got an advance aren't getting that portion forgiven, and we're the lenders, and we don't want to have to hold this $3,000 loan for people. So Congress is getting together. They're going to change that. They're going to make that idle grant so it's totally forgivable, is what they're trying to do, and it looks like that's what they're going to do. So as far as that goes, as far as their PPP forgiveness loans go, you need to just hold off and wait until your lenders get in touch with you and say, hey, okay, now we have your application number. I will show you what I'm talking about. Let me get put this up for you. I'll show you what I'm talking about on a... Okay, so just keep your eye right over here. Let me see if I can get this in angle for you. So here on your easy form, there you'll see down at the PPP lender PPP loan number, you don't have that loan number yet. Your PPP loan number, you don't have that because that's coming from your lender. Your lender doesn't even have that number yet. Only the big banks and big companies, they're offering their people, they got that number, but we don't. As far as your loans being under $150,000, you're probably not seeing a PPP loan forgiveness number application from your lender. So you can't even fill this thing out to begin with. So with that PPP loan number, then you're going to want to come down here and look at the idle advance amount. You see that idle advance amount right there? Say in the idle application number, they want this gone. The lenders, the PPP loan, the lenders that lend you the money for PPP, they want that advance amount to gone, because what that does is it subtracts from the PPP loan amount. So if you had a $10,000 advance amount and PPP loan amount, only one of them is forgiven. Lenders aren't liking that. They're saying, no, we don't want that. The idle advance had nothing to do with this loan. So the idle advance, this will be taken out of the application, so that when you fill that out, you won't be having to put that number in there, because that's going to be totally forgiven as well. So it's not one. They're trying to make it not one or the other, but both of them to be totally forgiven. So that's what you're waiting for on your forgiveness. So right now the wait is actually a decent wait. It's a good wait. It means that we're actually going to probably benefit from this wait. So be patient. Don't jump to any quick forgiveness options or anything like that. Just be patient and let this play its course, because it's probably going to help us in the long run. So that's what's going on with loan forgiveness right now. I've heard some other channels talking about you can get it right now, you can go get it right now, but the truth is right now it might be a better time to wait. As well, everybody, I just wanted to say, I don't want to leave this out because it's kind of important. They are going over right now an auto forgiveness program, which would totally just, you wouldn't even have to fill out an application, you wouldn't have to do anything. They would just auto forgive your loan, and they would just pay it off, and you wouldn't even have to fill out an application for forgiveness. They're going over that. That's a possibility right now as well for the forgiveness loan. So that's a good thing, and that's probably the coolest thing that I've heard about this whole Congress doing something special with this. So if Mnuchin can have a button to auto forgive, they're going to try to get that auto forgiveness button on our loan application. That would also give the lenders a like, hey, you want another round? Because they're supposed to be bringing another round of PPP along with it. So those lenders could possibly say, hey, they've forgiven your loan, would you like another one? And maybe this one would be forgiven to a certain extent, maybe it wouldn't, but maybe, it's a possibility that this could happen. And it's not it's not far-fetched either, because the new PPP program is going to be issued, I think, $300 billion. And if you've got one PPP loan and get it forgiven, you'll be eligible for the next. So if they can get that auto delete button going on for us, the auto forgiveness, which Congress is trying to do, we wouldn't even have to fill out the application. I mean, the application is going to be simple anyway, but if we wouldn't have to fill it out for the loans that you took and got under $150,000, That'd be so simple just to go. That would probably be the easiest thing that we've seen since the idle grant application. So hopefully that helps, guys, and hopefully we can get it. That'd be awesome, wouldn't it? All right, thanks, guys. Have a good one.